This 2016 Forest River Vengeance 29 volts is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Forest River Vengeance 29 volts is 7,809 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.